It's a very popular Indian street food, and we'll be making a healthier version of it by replacing mayonnaise with something very interesting. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that so that you don't miss any videos, and let's get started. We'll start by making the filling for our kathi rolls. For this, I have heated up some oil in a pan. Now I'm adding my sliced onions. Let them cook for around a minute. Next, I'm adding my chopped tomatoes. Stir them in. Then goes the ginger garlic paste. Mix it all. Now I'll add the spices. So a dash of coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, and mix them all well. Next, we'll add sliced green capsicum, some tomato ketchup, and then salt to taste. These kathi rolls are going to be so aromatic and delicious. In the end, we'll add our grated paneer. I have prepared this paneer at home. If you want the recipe for this, just let me know in the comments. I'll add a video. Now mix it really well. This stuffing is so colorful. We'll let it cook for 2 minutes and it will be ready. Now we'll assemble our Paneer Kathi roll. First we'll make the spread. For this I have taken curd or plain yogurt, and now I'll mix my green coriander chutney in it. The recipe is in the top right corner of your screen, and I'll add it in the description box also. This will replace the mayonnaise. So our yummy curd chutney mix is ready. Now we'll spread it generously on the cooked tortilla or maybe your leftover chapati. And now our freshly prepared stuffing. Then I'm adding some thinly sliced onions. Now top it up with some chaat masala to give it that tang we all like. Now we'll roll it tightly so that it doesn't open. Let's make a tight roll. And then we'll cut it like this. Our delicious Paneer Kathi rolls are ready to serve. Serve these kathi rolls with a dip of your choice and enjoy a hearty meal. I'm sure you'll love these. Share your experiences with me in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Have fun!